Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I have cleaned up the house. Well, Melanie and I have cleaned up the house, but I mean I got my junk out of here. And all that remains is a rack with some computers. And they're happily humming away, making money. Those of you who know mining realize there's only a couple of cards here, but I'm expanding on it, and that takes time. But anyway, you guys have seen that before. There's the rack. And the rest of the house is relatively clean. I did buy a network cable, so that's going to be moved out of here in 2 days. I'll have my cable and get that out of here. But that's not what today's video is about. Today I will show you, I think you'll be able to guess what today was about. Melanie surprised me with this morning, and really was touching. She painted the tiny house on wheels from Pine Bush, and she said, I realize how much you gave up for us, and I want to thank you, and I wanted to give you your tiny house on wheels. So she painted the tiny house on wheels, and there's the little rock bed with the flowers and the solar panel, and she made it a fall color scene, so that was nice. And she made me a card, and I got a couple gifts from her. I still have my keyboard I have to put away, but we're setting up. Some people are coming over. Our tiny house is being set up for guests, and relatively cleaned up. I mean, as good as it gets. There's the buffet set up. I'm waiting for the guests to arrive. And I just wanted to share with you that I finally got my junk out of here, and it's looking like a house again. There it is, everybody. Looking like a normal house. Somewhat. By Friday it should be gone. I'm not sure if I'm going to put that in the garage or in the bedroom though. The bedroom is colder at night, and that would be beneficial I think right now. And in the garage maybe in the summer, if that doesn't cause me any lack of sleep. But for now, that's it. So I'll just get this video up to you guys right away, and we're going to enjoy some time with friends. Got a lot of friends in this community. It's a very nice community. Melanie's got things warming on the wood stove. It's a very nice wood stove. We love it, and we use it heavily. So, alright guys, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Another year gone by and a new one beginning.